And so the real reason, as reported by Real AF Andy Frisella, the real reason why they're banning TikTok is because so many young voters in the generation of the black population, the Chinese population, all these people are becoming Trump supporters. Yeah, when they started, they were, 4 years ago, they were pro-Biden, but they've woke up. And that is the reason why 455 members of Congress that can't agree on anything can agree to ban TikTok because they can't stand Trump. And they know everybody's getting the truth on TikTok. They have no proof that there's any type of spying that the Chinese is doing. None. There's none been presented. It's all theory rhetoric. It's all covert. It's all meant to suppress the voice of the American people and the blue-collar working class and the unity of this nation, that it doesn't matter what color you are. It doesn't matter what you believe, that we have one thing in common, and that is our freedom and our voice. And it's time for us to unite and express that as the people of America, right? Prime example, the other day in New York, that heifer up there in New York, she got up there, Attorney General, in front of the fire department, and she got booed, right? Because everybody in the fire department public service loves Trump. And now, that same agency is going back and doing the January 6th thing, where they're watching the videos to see if anybody that might have been booing, they're going to suspend them or punish them. That's a bunch of BS. God bless you. Fluid English.